Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies. And we're going to show you our new XPress Cut.
Right after this. And we're back. So today we're going to be working with our new XPress Cut vinyl that we have. It is a heat transfer vinyl. It comes in many different colors, standard colors. So let's get started.
Now we cut this earlier on our Graphtec CE6000. So we're going to go ahead and cut it up a little bit.
And then the fun part of weeding.
Yes.
We do carry weeding tools online at coastalbusiness.com, and they are fun because they are orange and they do have our logo on them.
And to make weeding easier, if you simply warm up your platen a little bit, and then just set this on here and warm it up, it does make it a little bit easier to weed.
And one of my favorite things about this vinyl, which we're gonna go more into when we press it, is that you only press for 5 seconds, which is huge for heat transfer vinyl. And it also is relatively thin. It's 90 microns in thickness. It's more of a matte finish versus, you know, a gloss or a semi-gloss. And then it works with cotton, polyester, your blends, and then spandex as well. So it does work with multiple materials, which is very handy.
I get those little bitty letters out. All right. I think we are ready to press.
Yay.
Like Jamie said, we are only pressing at 250 degrees and 5 seconds.
And we're done.
Just that quick. And it is a hot peel. And there we go.
And you can layer this as well. When you layer, just make sure that you always hit the fabric when you layer, and then just knock it down for about 1 second, 2 seconds, bring it back up, and then your final transfer is going to be the full time, which is only 5 seconds. Usually we say to layer only up to about 3 times on your garment just for durability reasons. If you get too thick of a design, you're going to have, you know, that durability when you wash it, issues with that.
And it has a great feel to it, very thin.
Yeah. Very nice look. Again, 250 degrees, so low temp, 5 seconds. So not a lot of time. Perfect vinyl for production use. So thank you for watching our video tutorial, and we'll see you next time.